Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your filter backgrounds and use some filters on Zoom app desktop versions. So you can download it for free, this Zoom Workplace, and if you already had Zoom meeting or Zoom Workplace on your laptop or PC, please keep up to date because there are some new feature that you can try or fix some bugs, some issues if you keep update. So don't forget to sign in. You need to click on your profile picture in order to go to the settings, and here we go. You can set your virtual background in here. You can click backgrounds and effects, and here we go. This is the virtual backgrounds. You can set your virtual backgrounds in here. So in order to use it, it's better to have a green screen to improve your quality, your virtual background quality. And this is the video filters that you can try. Even you can try the studio effects. And this is the Zoom apps. You can click Zoom apps and click enable virtual background on the meeting start. You can try it. And there are some virtual background that you can try powered by Pexels on the meeting start. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support us button below. See you in the next video.